In this video, we are taking a look at teams and how to transfer the ownership of a team. A general thing here, when you create an account, you also create a team. And that team can of course have multiple members. There are 3 different types. You can be a regular user, you can be an admin, or you can be the owner. So let's start by opening up the profile menu. Then we will enter teams. And as you can see in my team, I only have 1 user, and that user is of course the owner. Now, in case I want to add another member, I can add myself, and I can choose whether or not I want to add this user as a member or as an administrator. So let's just do the member. And what happens now is that user with that email address will receive an email, and in that email the user is encouraged to create an account. And when that account has been created, that user will have access to this team. Now, it's easy to change from a member to an administrator. Users will have access to uploading, deleting files. They will be able to edit the playlist, the groups, the schedules, the tags, and they can move screens between groups and so forth. An administrator has a higher level, so those members will have access to the audit log. They will be able to link new screens, remove screens. They will be able to invite and remove other members to the team. They manage screen alerts. They have access to analytics, and they can also create and delete API keys. The difference between an administrator and the owner is the owner also have access to the billing details, of course. The owner will also be able to invite and remove administrators, and the owner will be able to transfer the ownership to somebody else. Deleting a user is just as easy, and when doing so, that user will not have access to your team, but they will still have access to the account. If I want to transfer the ownership of my team to this new user that I just added, then I can easily just hit make owner, and it will give this warning saying, hey, you're going to give away the ownership of the team. Are you sure you want to be doing this? And if you're sure, you hit the transfer ownership, and voila, you are not the owner of the team anymore, but instead this user up here is now the owner of the team. So just to confirm that, I'm still logged in with my account at lars@playsignage.com, which means I would not have access to the billing page. And as you can see in my profile menu, it's gone. That's more or less it in regards of the rollers, in regards of how to add members, how to transfer the ownership. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next one.